Hi there, students. To hold down, to hold something or somebody down. So, to maintain in position, to fasten, to secure something so that it doesn't move. Put a weight on each corner of that piece of plastic to hold it down. Like that, the wind won't blow it away. The policeman held him down. Yeah, they restrained him. They held him and stopped him from moving. Okay? So to hold down, to stop blowing away, to stop it moving. I put the suitcases on the top of the car and then tied them in position to hold them down. We can also use to hold down, meaning to maintain within limits, to keep at a low level. Could you hold down the noise? So reduce the noise, keep it to a reasonable level. The Bank of England have raised interest rates to hold down inflation, to keep it down, to restrict it, to stop it rising. Notice we can also use hold down to talk about stop people progressing. She proved that being a woman would not hold her down. She would reach the very top, even though society was sexist. The rich spend their lives holding the poor down. This is like holding back, not letting somebody progress. Notice as well, you can hold down a job, or to hold down two jobs. Despite the fact that he was sick, he managed to hold down his job, maintain and continue doing without losing it. I think many people are trying to hold down their jobs at the moment. We can also use this phrase to hold down, meaning not to vomit. I haven't been able to hold down anything since last night. I've been vomiting. I've been sick. He managed to hold down his meal, so he's looking a bit better. Effectively maintain securing position in your stomach. Okay, this is a phrasal verb, and phrasal verbs, normally they're not very formal. I think I'd give this a 5 in formality. I think to hold down is a great phrasal verb for an informal conversation. I think it's great for something that's semi-formal, but if you're going to write something very formal, I think you need to find different synonyms. So to fasten, to secure, to restrain, to maintain within limits, yeah. To stop from rising. Okay, so if you're going to write something very formal, I don't think hold down is the right verb for you. Notice as well, please be careful. To hold is an irregular verb. Hold, held, held. He held it down. So notice as well, held it down. It's normally a separable phrasal verb. Yeah, and I think it's normally transitive as well. It normally takes a direct object. So, to hold down, to hold something down. Maintain, to secure, to fasten, to keep at a low level, to stop something from rising, to stop someone from progressing, to keep your job, or not to vomit. There you go. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To hold down.